Mm. That implies a need for greater transparency about the factual basis for these orders. Are you happy with the amount of information that's currently being made available to the community?
No, I think our governments should be going further. I think they should be more readily releasing things like the modelling upon which decisions are made, not just at convenient times, but earlier. And that's, of course, where you'd expect parliamentary committees to be doing that. I mean, that's the normal way. Parliament would be called to account in question time or a parliamentary committee. They might be asked, in fact, compelled even to produce modelling and other documents. Health officials can be subject to questioning. There's been a bit of that, but not much. But I think that's been a weakness because it's really been a trust us approach. And to some extent, we must trust them. But I think we're also entitled to more information to understand why decisions have been made and really are they proportionate? And in fact, in some cases, have the decisions gone too far?
What about the political process? Have you been surprised that this absence of information hasn't taken on a greater traction with the community? I've been startled by the level of acceptance, if you like, of draconian orders that are obviously necessary for health reasons, but the basis for them is effectively being kept secret, if you like, from the community. Would you like to see that changed?
I'd like to see more information, yes. I must admit I'm not overly surprised either. I mean, if we look at, for example, what happened at other moments of national crisis, World War I, World War II are examples. You saw there the community move from, I think, a more questioning attitude to simply, we're going to trust you. We need you to make decisions in our interest. We probably don't have the energy, in fact, to even be as politically engaged and active as we might. And I think fear often dampens the desire of people to know more. They just really want, in many cases, government to do what's required. That's not really a healthy thing. It actually undermines vigilance. But at these times of national crisis, in the end, the community does invest enormous power and trust in politicians. But that's also where you need your structures, you need your institutions that can step up at a time like that to make sure that that trust is well placed.